नमस्कार दोस्तों, एक बार फिर जुड़ने के लिए मेरे साथ इस वीडियो एनालिसिस में। और आज हम देख रहे हैं कि मार्केट जिस प्रकार से मूव दे रहा है उससे साफ नज़र आ रहा है कि मार्केट एक बुलिश मोड पर है। तो आगे किसे दौर चलना है और आगे हमें किसे काम करना है उस पर ज़रा गौर करेंगे। मेरा नाम है राजा वेंकटरामन और मैं न्यू ट्रेडर का को फाउंडर हूँ और आज आपको प्रस्तुत करने वाला हूँ कि मार्केट की जो एनालिसिस है उसको हम कैसे समझें और कैसे काम करें। तो आइए चलिए पहले देखते हैं निफ्टी की चार्ट पर। So as you have been seeing over the last few sessions, we have been speaking about an important support zone around 18,200. So this 18,200 zone which we have been highlighting has proved to be a very good catchment area, and you can see here that 18,200 has managed to hold on the levels quite well. We had an entry pullback, we had discussed about that, and that was a good zone to buy into. And you can see here, despite the negative news flows which came into the market for the BJP, it was already factored in. And जिस प्रकार से मूवमेंट जो हो रहा है यहाँ पे उससे क्लियर है कि it is moving towards the higher levels. So what are those higher levels? Those higher levels are emerging around 18,550. So I have spoken about those levels. They are important Fibonacci resistance zones. And what is going to help it to move towards that is the momentum. So we'll take a look at the momentum a little later. Now let's also go and take a look at Bank Nifty. बैंक निफ्टी के बारे में आप सबसे जिक्र किया था, एंड बैंक निफ्टी हैज बीन मूविंग अलोंग क्वाइट वेल. एज यू कैन सी हियर वी हैड गॉट अ वेरी गुड क्लोजिंग above important resistance zones around 43,700, about which I had communicated to you, and now you can see here that it has safely touched 44,000. Yes, you heard the word right, touched, क्योंकि 44,000 के आसपास हमेशा एक राउंड फिगर साइकोलॉजी होता है, तो वहां पर थोड़ी बिकवाली दबाव जरूर दिखेगी. सो वी हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल as we are heading into the current week. Well, it's going to be a mixed bag for the current week, so we have to be very careful. Yes, you have got the strong push to the upside, but we have to tread the waters a little carefully, because now from here, if there is a reaction, so we have got a confirmation to the candle close, so which is a very good sign. But then all of us are very well aware that the kind of moves which you are seeing here is definitely encouraging, but we have to be careful because a reaction could take it all the way towards the levels of around 43,000. So 43,000 is the level which you could see in Bank Nifty if there is a sharp correction. But at the moment, 43,000 to 43,200 could be a important support area if you're looking at the Bank Nifty from a tracking point of view. From an intraday perspective, 43,700 continues to remain an important supports, because for intraday players the short supports are closer, and for the positional players the supports are a little more deeper. तो यहाँ पर जब भी हम गौर कर रहे हैं एंड व्हेन वी आर टेकिंग अ लुक, यस वी हैव स्पोकन अबाउट बैंक निफ्टी, और बैंक निफ्टी में जो उछाल देखी थी दैट वाज क्वाइट एनकरेजिंग. बट देन इफ यू कैन सी हियर the ADX is still to lift up, right? I am focusing on this particular area here, and you can see here that currently at this current juncture the Bank Nifty is, this is the daily chart. You can see here that it is still not managed to cross the 70 levels. If you recall, if you just go to my previous videos, well, if you're coming to this channel for the first time, then you should definitely subscribe to our channel and ensure that you click the bell icon so that you are always notified whenever we post some videos. But in this particular aspect of Bank Nifty was discussed, and we had mentioned that Nifty is now more stronger than Bank Nifty. Now we got to see if this momentum is going to kick in, right? Now, when you take a look at the overall momentum, you can see here that based on the daily charts, okay, this is based on the daily charts, you can see that the ADX is definitely much more encouraging, right? Yes, that's the word I used. It is very encouraging on the Nifty. So this is on the Nifty, and this is on the Bank Nifty. So the strength towards the bullish side is much more in Nifty, so you should continue to look at Nifty and plan your buying positions. Bank Nifty could well follow suit to Nifty at the moment, and the overall trajectory of the movement is very, very encouraging. You can see here that there is a big check on the RSI, both are above 70, so definitely a positive sign, but then it is also a sign of caution. Why am I saying that? Because I am feeling that we are entering a cautionary mode, because I took some time to spend some analysis on the USDINR. So when you take a look at USDINR, it has been moving along a steady support. Okay, you can see here this steady support now, and there is a nice rounding formation at the support region. Along with that, when you take a look at the momentum indicators, they are not fueling a weakening of the USDINR. So as long as that does not happen, we can continue to look at buying opportunities in the market. But then if you see here at the RSI levels, right? If you see at the RSI levels, you can see that they have crossed above the neutral zone, and they are looking to head higher. And the kind of movement which you are seeing in RSI, it is clearly indicating that there is some steady build-up happening. So now if we take a look at the overall markets, and if you take a look at the kind of declines which is coming into play, probably the declines in the commodity space could be reaching towards an end. So one has to be very careful here, because the USDINR is clearly showing signs of a rebound, and if this rebound happens, it could have an impact on our market as well. All right. So till we have more connects with the kind of data which is coming up, we'll meet you again in the next video. But this is what I wanted to share with you as part of today's analysis. And I want you to go and check out our other videos as well, so that you stay notified about all such interesting discussions which we keep happening on this particular channel. Thank you so much for watching. This is Raja Venkatraman signing off. Have a good day. Stay safe, stay healthy.